Yeah, I understand. Huh? Good. So, a decade of company in the direct selling industry, it's not a joke one. It's the biggest thing, but we did it. Because of the vision of management and the excellent product and excellent leaders who are sitting here. That's why it's happened. Otherwise, you know very well, the direct selling industry, every day, so many mushrooms it's coming. So many mushroom is going. But the decade, 10 year, the history, things is happening in Orients means this is the biggest thing. That's why, once again, on behalf of management, I am thank you and we are giving you a very humble and biggest thank you to each and everyone who are participating in Orient last 10 years. Because we have a lot of dreams. When Orient started in 2010, we have a dream. So we want to take our Indian traditional medicine to the international market. And the second thing, the 1 lakh people want to earn 1 lakh rupees per month. So this is a vision in 2010, not in 2020. But in the 2020, a real thing, one thing is happened. In that time only, the global and Indian people also, they understand what is the traditional medicine system because of the COVID. The COVID, in the time only the people are really understand Indian traditional medicine. Because they think everything is possible in allopathy. But in 2020, when the corona happened, nothing possible they do here. When that time, all over India, our turmeric and tulsi, the ordinary what they had thought, the small herbal, it will save more than a lakh of people's life in India. Yes. So international people, they have struggled a lot. But Indian people, oh, corona, who is that? Like the people easily. Here also, we thought, today morning we thought, so we want to give a mask. But the other directors told, we are seen anywhere in the mask. Only mask is there. Otherwise, no mask is here. So likewise, the people, they are not afraid in anything because of our traditional medicine system. We are following 5,000 years traditional medicine. But now only Indian people and the international people, they really understand what is the miracles in our traditional medicine. Yes. So these things, we are in the vision of in 2010. Now, really, we are reached the excellent position. So this is the important thing. So the mainly today, I want to introduce you important things because this product last 2 years you are working for a big struggle we are working. But finally last year April we find the formulation and we got an approval. But after the corona situation it's not possible to launch. But the excellent product for that, we are created one product. This is a super product. So in this 5 product, if you see to the, first you will see for your family, this 5 product is a must needed. And also today's market, these 5 product will be rock in Indian and international market. So you will see that our I am prestigious and honorably I tell you, this is the miraculous product. This is the ever bright, fantastic product because nowadays the eyesight is the biggest problem.
Sir.
This is 9 years our dream. We want to give one product for eyesight. But we are worked very lot. Finally, in 2018, we find out the formula. But the 1 year the research is happened. So the final, today this product came out. These products, ingredient is the very much important. This is not only for eyesight. This is for all your body. The first ingredient is the omega-3 fatty acid. And the very important ingredient is vitamin D3. In the world, the same combination no one company has. This is the first formulation in the world. If you show to any doctor, they also shock. Because like that formulation is the fantastic product for the eyesight. So today onwards, its selling is open. Who need, immediately you will start this product. The second product is the super excellent product. It's a Lycofit. This is for liver and colon. Because today's fastest life, every day we are eating pizza, burger, all fast food. The main problem, liver and colon. So the morning they will sit in the toilet maximum 45 minutes, minimum 45 minutes, not maximum. So this is the super product. You will try and get the result. The third product, this is the miraculous product for corona. If you have a fear, just have it. In the world, no one company having a tea in tablet form. This is the turmeric tea in tablet form. Just boil the water, put it on tablet. If you need taste, mix with honey. Every day morning you will take one tablet is enough. In your life, you don't have any problem in throat side and lung problems. So this is 5 combination: turmeric, ginger, pepper, and licorice and cinnamon. This is the 5 miraculous herbal. This is an excellent product. So just you will try it. The next product, nowadays, if anybody in the 50th year, more than 50 years, they have a biggest problem in urination. The drop urination. They will go to the bathroom, maximum 5 minutes or 6 minutes, they feel urination, but the urine will not come out. So this is a problem. This product is a reproductive god. So we have a lot of result. Last 6 months, we are in so many testimonials. The next product, everybody who are interested, Re-Youth. This is mainly for men's sexual reproductive system. So this is the excellent result-oriented product, because when company launch, in the time we have launched the product. So in the middle time, some formulation, so we are stopped. So now again we have launched the product. This product, we have a 5 excellent combination. The main is ashwagandha and velvet bean and goskar and also musli. So you know musli power. So this is the 5 combination. You have a lot of results. Already we have a lot of results. Live testimonial results sitting here. Any testimonial here? So many testimonial. All top leader have a biggest testimonial. Already we have. And we are launching 5 new cosmetic products. So everybody have a WhatsApp in these 5 products. Now we have a live products also. If you want to buy, when you are going out, in the time you are buying these 5 products. So this is the products. Yeah, just so same. Magan sir asked no. Now they understand. Only five. Only five. Finish. Answer is more than five. What we do? So I will take this for it. Thank you very much. So what? How many people are here? So leaders is exempted. All leaders. So first testimonial. So, this 10 product is the beginning of 2021, not in the end of 2021. This year we are going to launch another more 90 products. So, in this 10 years, 2010 to 2020, we have launched 100 products. But in this 1 year, in 2021 itself, we are going to launch another more 90 products. So in 2025, what are the products you want? Everything available in Orience. Are you ready for that? Because